Students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching mathematics of standard 3rd. Here we are going to continue chapter number 3, give and take part 2. So students, in last part we had seen Kittu's home. In his home there are different types of rooms and the rooms were started from 1 to 100. Now, with the help of these rooms, we need to find out the other answers. So, in today's part, we are going to find out my food. Find my food. Try these on Kittu's home. So, we get the answers from the following questions. After that, the answers you need to mark in Kittu's home. So, let's read line by line. Hey, I have something more interesting for you. Ma told me there are sweets to eat in some rooms. That means in Kittu's home, the different rooms are having sweets to eat, but we need to find out in which rooms they are kept. Help me find that room. The answers from the next page will help you find that room. Mark them in my home. That means whichever answers we get, we need to mark in Kittu's home. On page number 29. So, let's start with A. 10 less than 34 is dash. So, very easy. 34 minus 10. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. That means the answer is 24. Now, in room number 24, we need to mark. Now, question number B. 53 minus 20. So, 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. So, our answer is 33. So, in Kittu's home, on room number 33, we need to mark as the room is having sweets kept by his mother. Now, question number C. 11 more than 31. Now, students, what do you mean by more? More means we need to add 11 in 31. So, basically, we add 31 plus 11. Okay, so we'll get direct answer, that is 42. But in this chapter, you need to solve the sums by mentally. Okay, so the other method is solving this sum like 31 plus 11. Okay, now we need to divide this number into two forms. Okay, in terms of 10 grid, that means 31 we divide as 30 plus 1 and 11 we divide as 10 plus 1. Okay, understood students? Now 30 plus 10 and then 1 plus 1. So everyone knows that 30 plus 10 directly it will come 40. Then plus 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Now tell me 40 plus 2? 42. So this trick we can use for counting the sums by mentally. So, we are going to read this pink box. The 10 multiplied by 10 number grid is a useful aid for adding and subtracting two-digit numbers. Children should be encouraged to try these operations mentally using the grid as often as possible. So students, this example which I have solved, that 31 plus 11, by dividing this number in two patterns, this method is for improving your mental calculation. Okay, so there are many more examples. With the help of that example, you are easily made calculations by mentally. So students, let's start question number D. 11 less than 66. Now everyone knows that 66 minus 11 is 6 minus 1 5, and here 6 minus 1 5, that means 55. But if we do the 10 multiply by 10 grid method, in that 66 minus 11. Now split these numbers into 10 multiplied by 10 grid, that means 60 plus 6. And how will distribute 11? 10 plus 1. Now tell me, we need to subtract this number. Remember this. So 60 minus 10 will give you 50. Then add 6 minus 1 will give you 5. Now tell me, 50 plus 5 is equals to 55. Here in the first step you need to subtract the number, but in third step you need to add the number when we are subtracting the two numbers. Okay students, so let's see E1, 62 plus 13. Again we are going to divide the number in 10 multiplied by 10 grid method. So how will write 62? 60 plus 2. Then 13. 10 plus 3. Okay. Now tell me, 60 plus 10. Why we are going to add? Because our sum is in addition form. So 60 plus 10, 70. Put addition sign. 2 plus 3, 5. So our answer is 70 plus 5 equals to 75. So this method is called 10 multiplied by 10 grid method. Now students, question number F. These all answers we are finding out. You need to mark in Kittu's home on page number 29, or you can mark in this Kittu's home also. Now we are going to solve question number F, that is 23 less than 89. So which one is the bigger number? 89. So I will write first 89, then less than means subtraction, 23, 89 minus 23. So divide these numbers, 89, so 80 and 9, 23, 20 and 3. Okay, now we are going to subtract the numbers. So 80 minus 20, 60 plus 9 minus 3, 6 equals to 66. Okay, the answer is 66. So in Kittu's home on room number 66, you need to mark. Now G. 10 and 40 more is dash. That means we need to add these two numbers because it has been written over here more. So we can directly say 40 plus 10 equals to 50. So with the help of direct mental maths, we can conclude the answer. So students, in today's part, we learned how to make sums or how to calculate the sums by 10 multiplied by 10 grid method. So in next part we are going to see the other sums. Thank you.